There are many ways to make money, but passive income is one of the best. In this video, we're going to be going over 7 ways to earn passive income online. Now, just because you set up one of these streams of revenue, it doesn't mean that you're going to be making money straight away from the start. Some of them take ages to set up and get right, so keep that in mind. But when they do pick up and then compoundly get bigger, then you'll be seeing it as worthwhile. I promise you that your future self will thank you for setting one of these revenue streams up in the future. Having a video like this would have helped me a lot, otherwise I would have had to go through trial and error before in the past. We will be assigning a number score from 1 to 10 to each stream of passive income, taking into account the ease of setup, how hands-off it is, and how much revenue it generates. Let's first establish what passive income is and isn't before we dive into the passive income streams. Passive income doesn't necessarily mean making money without doing anything, but it means once you have that set up once, it can pay you off in the future without having to do much at all. When you have a 9 to 5 job, you're essentially trading your time for money. But once you quit that job, your steady source of income isn't there, which isn't good. These methods I'm going to be sharing with you today can be set up once and then generate money for years. By setting up these passive income streams, you can generate money by doing nothing, pretty much. Whether you're sleeping, watching YouTube videos, or just going to a zoo, or playing with your kids if you have kids, you can earn money still without doing anything. That being said, don't waste your money with get rich quick schemes like some of the things that people write in the comments or spam the videos with, because a lot of the times they're just a scam and you will end up losing money. Technology has changed the way we are actually dealing with making money online, and it's just insane the potential out there of what you can do. And you know, there's many different ways you can earn money online. Even a broke high college student could make money and become a millionaire online nowadays. Now, just because you're here watching the video right now, I can't guarantee that you'll make millions from watching this video, but you're going to see the same methods that millionaires like Matt Parr has done before. Now let's get into the streams. Number 1 is stocks. Investing in stocks can be super worthwhile. By investing in stocks, you're investing in the business and letting it grow even further, and then in return your investment could pay off in the future as the business grows. By investing in a stock, you receive equity in a company, even if it's just a small part of it. You own a small tiny little part of that company once you buy equity. Depends how much you buy, obviously. If you have money sitting in a checking or savings account, then it's not really doing much for you, so this is why investing in stocks can be so important. This isn't financial advice at all, so take it as you will and make your own decisions here, but investing in something like the S&P 500 can be super important, and you gain a lot of compounded interest over time going into your accounts. It's much better than leaving money in a bank account just sitting there not doing anything. Basically, by betting on some of the world's biggest companies in America and across the world, then you can literally make money off doing that. That's essentially what it is. These funds such as VOO, SCHB and VTI track the progress of the S&P 500. And by investing in mutual funds, your investment is spread across multiple different companies, meaning it's less likely to not do well. And that being said, this isn't financial advice, so make your own decisions like I said. You can also look at the indexes of other countries as well, maybe invest internationally. There's something called the FIRE movement, the FIRE movement, and it's basically where you save a large chunk of your income and only withdraw 3% per year. And this means that you can invest in all these ETFs and actually grow compounded interest easily. As long as your investments grow faster than the rate of inflation, then you probably don't have to ever work again. So yeah, as long as you invest enough money, then that's all you have to do. If you're looking to invest in stocks and ETFs, then a great place to start is by looking at some of your expenses. For example, YouTube Premium costs $12 per month. For example, that yearly is $144, so we can use the 3% rule here. If you multiply this number by 33, that will give you a total of $4,752. By investing $4,752 and withdrawing 3% annually, that would let you pay for the YouTube Premium subscription without doing anything. So that's something cool you can kind of do to work it out. Another thing you can do is investing in dividends. Dividend stocks pay out regularly, so this is something that could be super cool to do. But I would only do this if you're close to retirement personally. Dividend yields could be unpredictable. So before investing in any funds, then do your research and make your own decisions, because this is not financial advice at all. Say for example, if your lifestyle costs $50,000 per year, divide this number by the dividend yield of a company or fund. For example, if this is 4%, you would divide it by 0.04 to get the answer. In order to make the amount you want to live just from dividends, you need to invest 1.25 million. And that's also without ever touching your initial investment. So that's how you can sustain your lifestyle of $50,000. So let's review this passive income stream. This would actually get a 10 out of 10 rating right there. You can use a brokerage such as Robinhood, Charles Schwab, or M1 Finance. Stock investing is extremely passive and you can set it up quite easily after you do it once. It has an occasional maintenance to it, so you can rebalance it and all that, but in general, it's super easy to do. So it gets a 10 out of 10 for how passive it is. In terms of how easy it is to make money, it would actually get rated a 1 out of 10 because you actually need a lot of money invested to make any money, so keep that in mind as well. Stream number 2, blogging. This has been around for so long, basically since the internet existed. You can get paid years down the road for just writing an article once. Consider each article that you write a seed and then it gets planted to grow in the future. People can find your articles just by searching on Google for search terms, and basically you want to find good important search terms that have low competition and have a high search volume. You can use a website such as Ubersuggest by Neil Patel, which tells you exactly how you can do that. Here are ways you can monetize your blog: Google AdSense, SEO ads, affiliate marketing, selling a course or digital products. Here are the best blogging tools to make it easier as well: WordPress for the structure of your website. Then you can install the Astra theme, and then you can host using the WPX for website hosting. Also, the Yoast plugin is really good for WordPress as well, so bear that in mind. So let's compare and rank this passive income stream. Being that it takes some time to set up, we're going to give it a 4 out of 10. While WordPress can be easy after getting the hang of it, it takes time to set up, but there are free tutorials on YouTube for that as well. For how passive it is, it's going to get an 8 out of 10, because you can write the post once and then it will easily be found on the internet, possibly years later on. And it's going to get a 6 out of 10 for how easy it is to actually make money using it. 6 out of 10 because it can take a while to actually make money and build up, and it can pretty much take months or years to actually start making any dollars, because basically your blog has got to start ranking before it can start making money, because that's where the traffic comes into. But of course, once you have a lot of articles published, then it could be easy to make money as long as you're doing the right thing in terms of what content you're publishing and who you're targeting. 3, digital products. So why are digital products one of the best ways to make money online? Well, for starters, you can create them without any initial investment. Not to mention the extremely high profit margins, because you just have to make it once and then people just download it and there's no inventory there. And customers get it right away. There's no waiting around for it because you just deliver it straight away. It's just the one thing they're getting. So what's an example of a digital product? For example, it could be an ebook, a PDF download, membership site, stock footage sites, audiobooks, graphics, website themes, templates, and writing packs. Now, you can actually use a platform like Gumroad to host your digital products, and you can also find many different product ideas on there as well. With digital products, you can make it once and then earn a passive income from there. This passive income stream is a 7 out of 10 because it's easy to set up. For its passive nature, it gets a 9 out of 10. It's pretty easy to make money, so I'd say it's a 7 out of 10 in terms of that, because it's so easy to set up. 4, online courses. Online courses are classes that you take over the internet. It's mainly through videos, but you can actually do it through other forms of media as well. But we're just going to focus on videos. If you can create videos, that's all you've got to do. That's all you need. You just need a smartphone, to be honest, to create videos and talk to people about something that they can learn from. There's no need to be an expert on the topic. You can just create videos on something that you know a little bit more about than someone else. For example, we create courses on how to grow on YouTube, and my business partner Matt Part actually does that as well, and you can find out in the description an example of the course that we sell here at Tube Mastery. But of course, we don't have the biggest subscribed channels out there. Mr. Beast obviously has more subscribers, but that's not going to stop us from creating a course out there and actually selling it to people online. We're just trying to help YouTubers out there to grow their channels even more, maybe even surpass us in the end. There are a lot of software programs out there that you can use, such as Kajabi for hosting your online course and email marketing, ClickFunnels for sales pages, EverWebinar for webinars to sell your courses, Digistore24 for payment processing. There are a few cheaper softwares out there as well that you can use, but these are ones that we recommend. For example, you can use Teachable or Udemy. Just keep in mind that Udemy take 50%, half of your course sales, so that's why we probably wouldn't recommend that straight away. However, they will promote your course to get you some initial sales, so if you are getting out there, then use Udemy if you want to get out there. To get the most out of courses, I recommend using YouTube to advertise them as well. Our entire YouTube channel is here dedicated to show you how to grow and monetize a channel on YouTube, so you can utilize this even. Pairing a great passive form of traffic is super great to work with a passive income stream as well. Online courses are great because you can make them once and then sell them an infinite number of times. This passive income stream for online courses is ranked a 3 out of 10 for ease of setup. Keep in mind that making a course can take a lot of time, even in terms of pre-production and post-production. But overall, we'd rate it a 9 out of 10 for how passive it is. Overall, we would rate this method a 9 out of 10. 5, running YouTube channels. With YouTube, as you've known before, if you've watched some of our other videos, you can produce videos without even having your face on the video. and you can run faceless channels and outsource and pay people to create the videos for you, so you don't have to do anything yourself. So that's how passive it can be. However, personal channels out there with, for example, my face on it or someone else's face and personality can actually do a lot better than other faceless channels if it's done well. If you want to learn more about how to grow on YouTube, then check out my video about how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube without ever showing your face. You can also use YouTube to sell a lot of the other products we've talked about in this video, such as a course or affiliate products. At Tube Mastery, we have a course about how you can grow your channel step by step and get monetized, so check it out down below. You'll get checklists, templates, and everything you'll need to succeed. For how easy the stream is, we'll give it an 8 out of 10. It's easy to create a YouTube channel, but it can take a bit of time to see traction, especially when uploading videos. We'll go over that more in the Tube Mastery program, but it can take a while to get started initially. We're rating it an 8 out of 10 for how passive it is. So overall, the rating for ease of making money is a 7 out of 10 for running YouTube channels. We have subtracted a few points because it does take some time to get started and actually get the initial views and to get monetized. 6, savings account that pays interest. So when you start making money from these passive income ideas and other ways, then you need some account to pull it in, right? I recommend saving enough money so you can live off 6 to 12 months worth of expenses if something goes wrong. Look up sites like Bankrate or NerdWallet for more information about how to do that. They'll show you which accounts have the best yields in your country. Currently, you get about a 3% interest in the US, depending on state. And interest rates may be higher or lower in different countries, of course. So this gets a ranking of a 9 out of 10 for setting up. You can go to the bank's website and set one up. It's super simple, whatever country you're in, surely. And this gets a 10 out of 10 for how passive it is. You don't have to do anything once the money's in there, so yeah. And for how easy it is to make money, it gets a 2 out of 10 though, because you have to have a lot of money in order to actually make money there. But that being said, a high interest savings account is better than just leaving it in a current account doing nothing. 7, affiliate marketing. So by doing affiliate marketing, you can make money by using other people's products. All you have to do is use something like clickbank.com or Digistore24, and you can find other products that are relevant to your audience that you can promote them to, and you can earn a high commission off this, sometimes up to 80%. So I urge you to do this if you have some audience online that you want to promote products to and you don't have your own product, because it's super simple. You don't have to deal with any of the other issues. You just need to sell it and then you earn money off that. Sometimes you can even earn hundreds of dollars per month per person who signed up to something. Another example is the Amazon affiliate program. For example, as an affiliate of the Tube Mastery program, you can earn 50% of the price, which is $1,000, so you can earn $500 per course you sell of ours. So this source gets a 5 out of 10 for setting up, the passiveness is a 6, and affiliate marketing gets a 7 out of 10 for how easy it is to make money. Because you've got to have a traffic source to actually get people to purchase the products that you're trying to sell as an affiliate. So let's go over a quick bonus tip for now. You can create YouTube channels and you can use affiliate marketing to promote the different products on your channel. And then you can use video scripts as blog posts. And you can also even create your own online course by running a YouTube channel. So you can see what I'm trying to say. They all link to one another, and by creating a YouTube channel, you can link all of these together and do all of these passive income streams. Discover how you can earn passive income on YouTube by clicking right here. It will link you right there and show you exactly what you can do to make loads of money on YouTube by doing different ideas on your channel. So check it out and I'll see you right there. It's value packed, full of information. So go there and check it out. Thank you for watching.